Hi everybody, Kimberly Berg, clinical exercise physiologist in the Rebel Fit Club, the training center for people with Parkinson's. Today I'm going to be talking to you about how to do a proper squat. It's so common to get this one incorrect when you have Parkinson's because we have that rounded posture often, or we start to walk with our knees bent, or that tucky butt we call it. So then that comes into when we're trying to do a squat. So I wanted to do this video so people can practice with the video to get into their glutes, because remember, all movement goes through our hips. Our glutes are so important, and we want to make sure we're not hurting our back or our knees. So when you're doing this tucky butt position, when you're trying to throw a ball, I see it with battle ropes. What you're doing is you're actually putting your sacrum and your tailbone under you. You're putting pressure on your knees. Your weight is on your toes. Your posture is rounded, and you're taking out the lumbar curve of your back, which is a shock absorber. So we want to make sure we have really good form. So we're going to start out. I'm going to face you first. Feet are going to be under your hips. The wider your feet are, the more they're going to start to rotate out, which is okay, but we're going to do a narrow squat today. So your feet are under, good posture. I'm going to turn sideways so you can see as I go down. You're going to feel for your sit bones, and then you're going to feel in front of the hips. There's two creases. You can just karate chop here, and you're going to think about the sit bones going out behind you. You should start to feel that crease. Okay, so that's our starting position. I want you to have your head looking out about 8 feet in front of you. So you're not looking down here, and you're not cranking your neck this way. So we want to be correct all the way down. So we have this karate chop. We're gonna feel it start. Sit bones are behind us as if we're aiming at a chair. Your hands are gonna be on your thighs, and you're gonna let your hands glide down. It's okay for your knees to come forward. We don't have a big weighted bar on our shoulders. So we're gonna go back, keep creasing, keep creasing, keep creasing. Just keep thinking that as you're going down, and then come all the way up. Hands should be here. We're gonna do that again. We're gonna start by creasing, sit bones behind you, and we're gonna go down, and I'm not doing any pressure. These are just guardrails here. We're gonna go down and back up, and down, and back up. And it doesn't matter whether you're doing squats, battle ropes, throwing, or doing a sit to stand. The form is the same. You have to get into these glutes, and you have to be able to feel them. So if it's in the front, so that you wanna see it just one more time, creasing here, and the knees can come in front, sit bones behind you. Now, if you're worried about like, where do I put the knees? They're gonna naturally go over your feet, because if you're going all the way down, your knees are gonna be over your toes. So that is my quick hit for today. If you like this video, hit the subscribe button and give me a like. Go to my website, rebelfitclub.com, where you can check out a questionnaire and tell me a little bit about yourself. Check out our free videos. If you want to contact me directly, Kimberly at rebelfitclub.com. I'm happy to tell you how our program and our formula can help slow down your Parkinson's, help your body move more correctly and better. You'll feel better. Your quality of life will improve. So please contact us. I can tell you about our in-gym program, where we have boxing, boot camps, yoga, tai chi, stretch, dance, drumming. Whatever you're looking for, I bet we have it. It all matters. We also have a virtual program, both live classes, all different levels throughout the day, different types of classes, but we also have a recorded library where you can go in and check out all the different classes. You could do it on your own time, in different time zones while you're on vacation, or if you can't sleep in the middle of the night. Thank you so much for watching. Always stay hopeful and go forth and conquer.